Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I own a used car and the previous owner was not really on top of the oil change, this is where this Mobil Super synthetic oil comes into place. And let me tell you what I like about this. As I'm working with a car or an engine that it was having a lot of time for it to change oil, I need to get the highest quality when it comes to changing oil. And I need an oil that is going to be synthetic, that is going to be long lasting for high mileage, because the other person would not put too much of a mileage in the car. But right now I'm doing it because I'm traveling or moving around a lot, and I'm trying to keep my engine as clean and everything running down properly. You know, maintenance is really important for your car, and trying to use the highest quality of oil and a good synthetic oil that is going to give you a long lasting life for your motor. This is what you really need in this case. So the mileage is really good. It's gonna be a long-lasting oil that you're not gonna be changing all the time. And it was even recommended by some of my friends too. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.